Hey YouTube, Garage Bridge here once again. Today we're going to show you how to remove the door panel on a 98 Toyota Corolla. This will work from a 98 to a 2002. And the process is simple. I already bought that. If you have this car, your interior door handles are probably broken. Mine is actually missing, but they usually just break. I bought this pack on Amazon. It was $12. Free shipping is the 4 doors. I made the mistake of buying it gray. I thought the car was gray, but you can choose your color. It was $13 at Amazon. Here's the part number, but I'm also gonna put it out, down in the description. And there's the person who sold me the parts as well. Auto Warehouse, so you can look them up. Process is simple, so let's go. Okay, so the first step to removing the door panel is to take off your door handle, which mine, like I said, it was broken, so it wasn't there. But the process is simple. There's a Phillips screwdriver right in the middle. You won't miss it. You take that off. Once you take it off, you're gonna slide everything to the left, and there's a little clip holding it on this side, so that's gonna come out. And then you're gonna unhook the little wire that opens the door, which to unhook it is you just pull the plastic backwards and then the wire up, the little metal trim. But I can't show you that because I don't have it. I'll probably show you on the installation of it. After that, you're gonna come here. My door is a manual door, so I'm gonna show you how to remove that. And then, but first we're gonna move just this little cover here, this whole little leather part. You're just gonna stick your flathead in there and make your way through and kind of push up. It's just held by clips, just like that. See, that's one clip right there. That's another clip, and then there's another one right there. See, so there's 4 clips. It just goes pushed in. Like I showed you to do that. I just did it with one hand, so imagine how easy it is. And then you're gonna come in here and use a Phillips screwdriver and take this off and this off. Those 2. There's also one right here, so there's 3 of them. You gotta take off, and then we're gonna move on to the door handle. All right, so do this, and then I'll show you what else. So I removed that. The screw that's here on the side is just a clip, actually, not really a screw. You kind of turn it a little bit, and then you pull this little stick out, and then you can pull the clip out, and that's good to go. Now we're gonna come here to this. What you're gonna need is a it's gonna be tricky for me to show you how to do it because I have to do it and film at the same time. But you need a thin flathead, and my weapon of choice is this right here. As you can see, it is the thinnest one that I could find. And what you're gonna want to do is, and I'm gonna show you after I remove it, I'm gonna show you the process. So basically on the next scene after this, but for now I'm gonna see if I can kind of get in here and see. So you gotta make a little bit of gap, just like that, enough so you can place in your flathead, just like that. And inside, I can't really show you. Let me see if I can focus. There's a little metal. You're gonna turn until you see like a little metal clip, like a pin, like a paper clip. And that you wanna push it to the side. There's 2 corners. It's just like a U clip, like this. And what you wanna do is kind of open it like that, so you can come fall down and you can pull the whole door handle out, the window handle. So it's a clip like this. So what I'm gonna do is gonna push it. You may need 2 flatheads, and you're gonna try and do this with the clips. Pull down, and you can take it out. Let me do it, and I'll show you once it's off, so I can show you how it looks. It's very easy. I actually just used 1 flathead, just this one. I just went into one side, and I kind of just pushed down, and it came out. It's basically this, what you're trying to open, and this is your part. And how it goes is it goes in here. Let me see if I can put it back. It goes in here. Yeah, just like that. So it's like this when it's in there, right? And what you want to do is you want to come in here in this little corner with your flathead and do this, exactly that. Just bring it down and it will come out. And then you have this rubber O-ring, and just bring it out, don't lose it. Once you remove all that, then we can come now and just take off the clips for the door. It's usually 3 on this side, 3 at the bottom, and 3 on the left, or 2 on the left. You're just gonna put in your flathead, You can put a flat head down at the bottom and pull towards you, or you can do it with your hands. I think I can, yeah, just like that. Pull, just like that. Let's see, my door is really old, so my clips are probably gonna break, and they're broken probably. But and you will probably have the same issue because it's really the only way you can do it out. You can remove this triangle if you want. It's not necessary, but as you can see, it's just one clip right there, and you can do the door. Once you remove all the clips, you're gonna have to lock it and bring the bottom of the door towards you and push up so you can remove the door. So let me do that and let me show you what else. Very easy process. I think I did this whole thing in like 3 minutes. Just I want to show you the clips. It's one clip here, which I'm gonna have to remove it and put it back in the door. So it's 1, 2, 3 clips right there. Then it's gonna be 1 right there, 2 right here, and there's 1 right here. Oh, here it is, 3 right there. So it's 3 at the bottom, 3 on the side, and then here you're gonna have 1, and then this is the one you took before with the Phillips. So just 1 here on the side, those 3 at the bottom, and those 3 on the side. Once you do that, remove it up and just bring the door up. Then you can come in here and just pull this backwards, and this is actually what I'm looking for. This right here, where my door handle is gonna go right here. So let me just clean the area, and I'll show you guys what to do, how to place in your door handle. All right, guys. So I did what I wanted to do, which was to lubricate the system because it was kind of hard. That's why the previous door handle gets broke. So I lubricated with some WD-40. I know it's not lubricant. You guys are gonna go bananas on me, but it still does some sort of. It's actually advertised as a lubricant, but well, just I added some lube on the mechanism, and now it's better. It's opening and all that. So my purpose was to replace the door handle, which I'm still gonna show you how to do that. Give me a second. But now that I did all that, whatever you have to do here, I just want to show you how to remove the door panel. I'm gonna put the door panel back. The door handle goes in towards the end, but you definitely want this sticking out to where you can grab it whenever you have the door panel. Just able see it through the hole, and you can play with it. I was missing the screw, so I had to improvise. The one from here, as you remember from the beginning of the video. So let me put everything back, and I'll show you how to put the door handle. I just wanted to show you guys this. So I put the door panel back. Everything is fine. Now I'm gonna move into the door handle. As you can see in here, I just have this the Phillips here because I'm just holding that little clip so I can show you, but don't worry about it. So as you can see, there's 2 holes right here, and then this is where the Phillips bolt goes, the screw. And then your door handle will have this 2 L-shaped little legs right here and then right here. And it also has this lip right here, this little gap. So what the purpose is, you're gonna just push in and then slide to the left. So you're gonna do that. Before you do that, first you have to see this little wire here, the L shape as well. It is gonna go in here. So that little stick is gonna go in this hole right here, and then once you push it in, then you're gonna slide this to the left and clip it in. It's very easy. I do need both of my hands, and I can't record, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it in. I'm gonna put it in place. I'm gonna show you how it goes, then I'm gonna close it in, and then I'm gonna do the rest. So I just wanted to walk you through the process. It's very simple. So let me just put this in first, and then I'll show you. Okay, guys. So if you can see, okay, I placed it in there. Now what I'm gonna do is, see that white plastic? I'm just gonna turn it. Let me see if I can do it and record at the same time. Give me 1 second. So just turn this and there. Give me 1 second. Sorry, guys. Okay, this is a good angle. Okay, now just turn. And I'm just gonna get a flathead because it's hard to record and do it at the same time. Alright. And there we go. Alright, guys. So that's in. Now you're gonna come in here. And let me see. Push this in. Push it in the hole and use both of my hands. Push it inside and then slide it to the left, okay? So it's very easy. Push it in there and then slide it to the left, and we put the bolt. So let me do that. You can take it from here. And I guess that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a like, and share it. And we'll try to upload weekly videos, and you can check our playlist. It goes by car model, so you can check your model in there and see all the videos we have for your car. So thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.